Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the ongoing developments of the parliament election, and we are especially making this video ready for the parliament election. After the election declared, lot of things are going on, and Kejriwal also released from jail. He is also working hard with the help of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. And on the other side, Modi and team also working hard. It is very difficult for both the parties in this election. Very tough fight is going on. Before election, we are predicted something that we will show in this screen. After the developments, what are going on after releasing Kejriwal from jail, let us see. And after that, I will show the results, expected result, what we are predicted before the election.
शुरुआत में मैं आपको कह देता हूं, जो बात आपको हिंदुस्तान की मीडिया कभी नहीं कहेगी, मगर जो बात सच है, 2024 4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे। आप लिख के ले लो, आप लिख के ले लो, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बन सकते हैं। हमने जो करना था, जो काम, जो मेहनत करनी थी, हमने कर दी है। अब आप देखना, उत्तर प्रदेश में हमारे गठबंधन को 50 से कम एक सीट नहीं मिलने वाली है, और बाकी देश में, हर प्रदेश में हमने बीजेपी को रोका है। ये जो मीडिया वाले हैं, अदानी के हैं, ये सच्चाई नहीं बोलेंगे। ये हमारे भाई हैं, इनसे हम मोहब्बत करते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, मगर इनको सैलरी लेनी है बेचारों को, इसीलिए ये सच्चाई नहीं लिख सकते। बच्चे पालने हैं इनको। मगर अगर आप अभी इनके चेहरे देखोगे तो ये भी मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, क्योंकि इनको भी पता लग रहा है कि जो राहुल गांधी बोल रहा है वो सच है, और नरेंद्र मोदी प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बन रहा है। खत्म कहानी। जैसे अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं, गुड बाय, थैंक यू।
Starting from Karnataka, it is going to be a tough fight for Congress and BJP. Even though Congress is a ruling government, it is all dependent on the groundwork done by the MLAs and the guarantees. How much the guarantees reached the people, it will decide the result. As we expected, NDA will get 6 seats, India will get 22 seats, and others 0 seats. Out of 28 seats, Karnataka, India is getting more seats than NDA. Bihar, NDA will expected to take 18 seats, INDA will take 22 seats and others 0. Out of 40 seats Bihar, result will be like this. In West Bengal, NDA 14 seats, India 8 seats and others 20 seats. Out of 42 seats. Kerala, out of 20 seats, NDA 0 seats, India 20 seats, others 0 seats. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, out of 39 seats, NDA 0 seats, India 39 seats, others 0 seats. Andhra Pradesh, out of 25 seats, NDA is going to get 18 seats with the help of Chandrababu Naidu. INDA DIA is getting 2 seats and others, Jagmohan Reddy, will get 5 seats. In Telangana, NDA will get 2 seats, INDA will get Telangana 12 seats, others will get 3 seats. In Maharashtra, out of 48 seats, NDA will get 16 seats, INDA, DIA will get 30 seats and others 2 seats. UP, the biggest states in the country, in UP out of 80 seats, NDA is going to get 45 seats, INDA will get 35 seats and others will get 0 seats. In Punjab, out of 13 seats, NDA 0 seats, INDIA 13 seats, others 0 seats. In Punjab, out of 13 seats, NDA 0 seats, INDIA 13 seats, others 0 seats. Rajasthan, out of 25 seats, NDA is getting 14 seats, India is getting 10 seats and others 1. Odisha, out of 21 seats, NDA 5 seats, India 5 seats, others 11 seats. Delhi, NDA 0 seats, INDA 7 seats, others 0 seats. Delhi, Manipur, NDA 0, India 2, Manipur, NDA. Gujarat, out of 26 seats, NDA 22, India 4, others 0. Gujarat, Haryana, out of 10 seats, NDA 2 seats, India 8 seats and others 0 seats. Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, out of 4 seats, NDA 2 seats and India 2 seats and others 0. Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, out of 29 seats, NDA 19 seats, India 10 seats and others 0 seats. Uttarakhand, out of 5 seats, NDA 3 seats, India 2 seats and others 0 seats. Next, Arunachal Pradesh, out of 2 seats, NDA 2 seats, India 0, others also 0. Sikkim, out of 1 seats, NDA 0, India 1. Sikkim, out of 1 seats. Assam, out of 14 seats, NDA 5 seats, India 8 seats, others 1 seats. Chandigarh, out of 1 seat, NDA will get 1 seat and India 0 and others also 0. Chandigarh, Nagaland, total of 1 seat, NDA will get that lonely seat and India and others 0. Chhattisgarh, NDA 6 seats, India 5 and others 0. Out of 11 seats, the results will be like this. Mizoram will be like this. Mizoram, out of 1 seat, NDA 0, India 0 and others will get 1 seat. Will be like this. Mizoram, Andaman and Nicobar, out of 1 seat, NDA 0, India 1 and others 0. Andaman and Nicobar, Meghalaya, out of 2 seats, NDA 0, India 0 and others 2 seats. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, out of 1 seat, NDA 0, India 1 and others 0. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, out of 1 seat. Pondicherry, out of 1 seat, NDA 0, India 1 and others 0 seats. Pondicherry, Daman and Diu, out of 1 seat, NDA 0, India 1 and others 0 seats. Daman and Diu, Tripura out of 2 seats, NDA will bag both 2 seats and India and others will be 0. In Goa out of 2 seats, NDA will get 1 seat and India will get 1 seat and others 0. In Goa out of Jammu and Kashmir out of 6 seats, NDA will get 0, India will be going to sweep 6 out of 6 and others 0. Lakshadweep out of 1 seat, NDA 0, India 1 and others 0. Lakshadweep out of 1 seat, NDA 0, India 1 and others 0. This is our last prediction before election, and after all these developments the result will be going to change drastically, and the result exit poll will be announced after the election, that is 2nd June 6 o'clock. Thank you.